In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block spam calls on your Samsung Galaxy A17. To do it, you can go to the phone app, then click on three dots here in top right corner and select settings. Then tap on block numbers. And you can block calls from all unknown numbers, but it'll be from all unknown numbers. But now we also have a few more options because if you go back, there's caller ID and spam protection, but we can't enable it currently because we will need a special app, I believe. So let's go to that, or maybe let's try fixing it because it should be, I think, available. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go to settings, and then go to, it's gonna be in apps. Go to apps and click on choose default apps. And then there's going to be caller ID and spam app. Select phone, or if you want, you can download a different app that filters the calls. Even though you are using the same phone app, you can still have like a different app that is just gonna filter calls. There are apps for it that have, databases and stuff like that. And now I believe that if we go to phone app and settings, we should be able to know. Okay, never mind. Let's try reopening the app. We'll see. If not, then we'll just install a special app for it. There are apps for it. Okay, it didn't work, so I'll just download an app. I think I've been using for a really long time an app called Truecaller. Although I'm not really sure if it's like worldwide. I think it is, but we'll see. Let's go to the Play Store and then find Truecaller. Maybe it's just like you need to find your own app in your own region, but no, I think it's actually worldwide. It has over 1 billion downloads, so I believe it may be worldwide. So yeah, we have the app downloaded. It has, I believe, a really big database. Okay, let's wait until it installs. Now we can open it. And now let's click on get started. And yeah, set Truecaller as your default caller ID and spam app. Let's select Truecaller, set as default, continue, allow. Let's click on continue. And now we're gonna have it set up. I should also verify my number here. So I'll just find my SIM card and put it into the phone because I don't have it inside. Okay, let's see if it shows me the screen no, it doesn't show me the screen about SIM card. Let's go to settings. I'll just need to copy my phone number, because I have no idea what the phone number is on this card. Let's go to the connections and then SIM manager, and I'll just go to that. And yeah, I can't copy it. What? Okay, I'll just get back to you shortly. Okay, now I have the number in, so I'm gonna verify it. Let's click on yes. Now it's automatically just calling me. I don't need to do anything here. Yeah, and you can see it is verified. I can continue. I'm gonna continue with Google to create my profile. Yeah, let's. Oh, never mind. I accidentally opened the 100 mode. Okay. And now you can agree or disagree to those. It doesn't really matter. Let's click on continue. And now we have it set. I can click on not now here. Consent. And now we have that. Now if I go to the phone app, I can click on three dots, settings. And now I can enable caller ID and spam protection. Click on agree. And now I can also block spam and scam calls if I want. And you can only block high-risk scam calls or block all spam and scam calls. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.